Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove Azar VIP subscription. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have downloaded Azar application on my mobile phone. And actually guys, I haven't subscribed to Azar application on my mobile phone, but don't worry because even though I haven't subscribed to Azar, I can give you tutorial to remove the subscription. Basically, if we want to remove subscription on our mobile phone, we need to go to the Play Store or Apple Store. If you are Android user, you can go to your Play Store, and if you are iOS user, you can go to the Apple Store. And here I'm Android user, so I'm gonna go to the Play Store. Okay, and then you can go to your profile icon on the top right. And here make sure you have selected the account you use to subscribe to Azar application. And here as you can see guys, I have logged into multiple Google accounts on my mobile phone, so I need to select one of the account I use to download and subscribe to the Azar. Okay, and then we need to go to the manage app and device. Wait, I'm going to choose this one. Okay, we can go to the manage apps and device and go to the sorry guys, we need to go to the and here we need to go to the payments and subscription and go to the subscriptions, and here you will get the app list. The list of applications you have subscribed to. And as you can see, I have subscribed to PixArt and Terabox with this Google account. And let's say that I have subscribed to Azar. Let's say that this is Azar application, because after you have subscribed to an application, the application will appear right here in your subscription. And let's say that this application is Azar, so we need to tap on that, and then we can simply click on cancel subscription to remove the Azar VIP subscription. Okay, you just need to go to the payments and subscription and then just cancel the subscription right here. Okay guys, and that's all the way to remove Azar VIP subscription. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video guys.